Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have what matters: a device with Wi-Fi, the network name, and the password, so begin. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi, scan the list and pick the SSID you intend to join. If it's your phone acting as hotspot, enable mobile hotspot and note the SSID and password shown. Tap the network, enter the exact password, and press Connect. Once connected, confirm signal bars and data access before moving to advanced adjustments. Now optimize the connection so it's reliable and secure. If both bands appear, select 2, 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for lower latency and higher throughput. Make that choice based on distance. Verify the network security shows WPA2 or WPA3. This prevents eavesdropping. Most phones use DHCP automatically. Only assign a static IP if you know the router's addressing. Once these settings are applied, run a quick speed test to confirm throughput and latency meet your needs. Finish by validating real traffic. Load a web page and stream a brief video to ensure DNS resolves and packets flow. If the network uses a captive portal, the browser will prompt you to sign in, complete that step, then recheck connectivity. If you hit errors, forget the network and rejoin, reboot your phone and the router or hotspot, and retry. Remember this key troubleshooting tip: toggling the hotspot or Wi-Fi off and back on clear.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.